Hey my friends, welcome back to a new video. I felt I need to share this message with you right now as we see what is happening on the world. I said, well, we have a huge community right here and we can unite for a moment and we can open our hearts and we can send some healing energy, some loving energy towards the areas of the world which it's needed the most right now. So I want to encourage all of you who are watching this video right now to open your hearts. Let's raise your energy to the vibration of love, to the healing vibration of care, of compassion, and send it towards the areas of the world which it's needed the most right now. As we see what is happening, many people are talking right now about the war between the Russia and Ukraine. And often when we see those things happening, we feel powerless. It's happening, it's sad to see things like that. We see people are hurting, and therefore we feel powerless. But the truth is that often in the past, there were actually many peer-reviewed scientific studies showing that when a group of people gather together and focus on a peace, harmony, and love, crime rates will drop, violence can be reduced, car accidents, and any negative event will decrease. And that's the power that we all have. So, my friends, when you feel powerless, it's the best possible time to disconnect from what you are perceiving and reconnect back with your heart. Tap into your heart and uncover your potential of healing, because it is in your power. It is within you. We are often talking about it, and I'm always passionate to talk about it. Every single day we are talking about that potential which is within us. And that's what our ancient ancestors have understood, and they were always living by those principles, living from our hearts, staying grounded, staying connected with Mother Gaia, because it is not just our home, it's who we are. They understood that we are not separated from each other. It may seem like we are separated, it may look like we are separated, but from that soul level, from our heart's awareness, we are all connected on that web of life. And our ancient ancestors have understood that. So actually, there's a HOPI prophecy talking about the end of the world. They were not talking about the end of the actual world as many people would think about it. They were talking about the level of, or better said, the time, the moment of time where people, where humanity, the collective mind, will come to what we now know as the dark night of the soul, where the great awakening will happen and people will connect back with earth. People will connect back with the divine spirit, which we all are, an expression of it. People will connect back to it and they will create again a heaven on earth. There's a prophecy from HOPI people which we've been talking before in the previous videos. And it goes like that: when the earth is ravaged and the animals are dying, a new tribe of people shall come unto the earth from many colors, creeds, and classes, and who by their actions and deeds shall make the earth green again. They shall be known as the warriors of the rainbow. We can see many artists right now, right? Many poets, many writers, many painters, many people expressing their truth. We can see a great awakening happening all around us. They had a prophecy about apocalypse, which in ancient Greek means a great revelation. And revelation means uncovering. They didn't look on apocalypse as a negative event. We see an apocalypse is happening on the world. We saw it with the COVID. We see what is happening right now. A great apocalypse is happening. The end of the world, the old world is happening, and we are actually in between the process of a new awakening, of a new earth. That's why I'm sharing today with you, with this video, a painting of the new earth, which was inspired by that process of awakening that is happening right now. So often we are talking about the science of awakening because it's so important to recognize what is actually happening on that soul level for each of us. If we tap into our hearts, we all can feel it. That there's an intense feeling which is calling us back to ourselves. So we can let go of what is telling us who we are not. So we can embody the truth of who we are. What also HOPI people said, that in the future, where everything will seem like the world is coming to an end, people will start looking back into ancient teachings, and they will start applying the knowledge from that ancient teachings, and they will create again a heaven on earth. They will reconnect back with the essence of who they are. So we see a great amount of feminine energies rising. What is feminine energy? An energy of love, an energy of care, a creative energy, an energy of compassion is rising. And for everyone who feels powerless right now, even if it seems like you can't do anything about what is happening, you can always open your heart and raise some love. If you feel insignificant, remember that you are more powerful than anything you can imagine. Every time you choose to open your heart, you will do something which will affect on everything in the whole existence. That's what we can find in quantum physics. We open our hearts, we express love, we generate that vibration of love, and we will affect on everything in the existence. That's how powerful you are. And when we see what is happening on the world right now we are seeing, like the end of the world is happening. The capacity of love that is within you, that you can raise right now, is unlimited. And if we do it together, we can tap into the potential which nobody can actually tell us how, like in what kind of beautiful things it can turn, in what kind of beautiful things it can express. So my friends, I want to encourage all of you together, let's raise the love, let's raise the care and the vibration of that healing energy and send it towards the areas of the world where it's needed the most right now. Let's do it together, and for a moment just feel it. Just feel the love that as we are rising it right now. And with your attention, send it towards the areas of the world that it's needed the most right now. With a great amount of care towards the family of humanity, to our Mother Gaia, and the great cosmos. Become one with that feeling of love and just raise it even more. Thank you. Thank you for being a part of this community, my friends. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for doing it with all of us. And I hope you're having a beautiful day or beautiful night. And I'm sending you all lots of blessings, lots of love, and lots of power. For everyone who would love to learn to paint with me, to express some of your unique energy, go and check out my other YouTube channel. The Art Time is the name, where I'm sharing my YouTube painting tutorials. And I want to express my gratitude to everyone who is supporting my art in my Etsy shop. You are all truly appreciated from the bottom of my heart. My friends, until the next time, one love.